The average freelancer spends between $200 and $400 a month on software before earning a single dollar from a client. I tracked my own spending, then spent 3 months replacing every paid subscription with a free alternative. Every one of these replacements is still in my workflow today. Here are the 5 that made the biggest difference. Freelancing is supposed to give you financial independence, but if software costs are eating your revenue before any client pays you, the math works against you from day one. In 2026, there is no good reason for most freelancers to pay for CRM software, proposal tools, invoicing software, a design suite, or a scheduling platform. Free alternatives cover every one of those categories. 5 categories. 5 free replacements. Honest catch on every single one. First, client and project management. Notion's free plan gives individual users unlimited pages and blocks. Build a client database, project tracker, meeting notes system, and communication log. It handles everything a dedicated CRM does for a solo freelancer at 0 cost. The honest catch? The free plan is for individual use. It caps collaboration at 10 guest invitations and limits page history to 7 days. For a solo freelancer, neither limit matters day to day. The important distinction: the free workspace does not include AI features. For AI-assisted writing and summaries, use Claude's free tier separately. Claude drafts the content. Notion organizes it. Together, they replace what paid CRM and writing tools charge for. Pair with Gmail's free tier for client email, and you have a complete client management system at 0 monthly cost. Second, proposals and client writing. Describe your service to Claude's free tier at claude.ai. Include the client's name, the project scope, your approach, timeline, and pricing. Claude generates a complete professional proposal in about 2 minutes. Copy it into Google Docs, format and customize, send to the client. Claude also generates client onboarding documents, project briefs, status update emails, and contract language for common scenarios. Everything a dedicated proposal platform charges monthly for. The honest catch? Message limits apply on the free tier. For most freelancers, sending 2 to 5 proposals a week, the allocation is more than adequate. If you hit limits regularly, that signals enough business volume to justify the Pro upgrade at $20 a month, which pays for itself quickly. Third, invoicing and expense tracking. Wave has offered free invoicing and expense tracking since its founding, creating and sending unlimited professional invoices, tracking income and expenses, and generating basic financial reports, all at no cost. Now the honest picture. Wave restructured its pricing starting in 2023. Invoicing and basic expense tracking remain free. Bank reconciliation and automated transaction importing now require the Pro plan at $19 a month. For a freelancer just starting out, the free path handles what you actually need, looking professional when billing clients, and keeping records of what you earn and spend. Bank reconciliation becomes important as transaction volume grows. One more thing worth knowing. Multiple users reported fund holds when processing payments through Wave in early 2026. If you plan to accept card payments through the platform, test it with a small amount first. For payment processing, Square or Stripe are more reliable alternatives. Wave shines for invoicing and record keeping. Fourth, design work for clients. Canva AI 2.0 arrived in April 2026 as the platform's biggest update since launch. For freelancers producing social media graphics, presentation decks, marketing materials, and basic brand assets, it covers the full scope of client work. The free tier includes around 50 AI generation credits each month, background removal, magic resize, AI image generation, and the complete template library, all accessible without paying. The honest catch? Exporting in certain professional print formats, removing Canva branding from presentations, and accessing the full premium template library require the Pro plan at $15 a month. For screen-based deliverables like social media and presentations, the free tier is entirely sufficient. For freelancers who are paying for Adobe Creative Cloud, this single switch saves between $60 and $840 a year, depending on which Adobe plan you had. Fifth, client scheduling. Calendly's free plan allows one active booking event type with unlimited one-on-one meetings. For most freelancers, one discovery call type covers 90% of scheduling needs. Set it up once. Share the link with every potential client. No more back-and-forth emails. The honest catch: only one active event type at a time. If you want separate booking pages for discovery calls, project check-ins, and consultation sessions simultaneously, you need the standard plan at $12 a month. Also worth knowing, your booking page carries Calendly branding on the free plan. Clients can see it. Most do not notice or care. If professional white labeling matters to your brand, That too requires upgrading. For most solo freelancers, one clean booking link replaces dozens of scheduling emails every month. Free, functional, and immediate. 5 tools, 5 freelance problems solved at 0 monthly cost. Notion for client and project organization. Claude plus Google Docs for proposals and writing. Wave for invoicing and expense records. Canva for client design. Calendly for scheduling. Total monthly savings versus typical paid alternatives, between $150 and $240 depending on what you were paying before. Each of these has a paid upgrade path worth considering as your business grows, but the free versions handle the full workflow for most solo freelancers working today. Subscribe for more freelancer resources every week. Drop a comment. Which subscription are you canceling first? See you next time.